You see, he knows. He knows. Listen, my people, manipulation will never be successful without the other person being an enabler. For somebody to be able to manipulate you, there is always an enabler. You must enable person to manipulate you. You see, if you not give person chance, the room, person not go feel manipulate you. And this is the thing where so many of us, they fail to understand. Listen, for the fact say papa and mama not day, your life when you small, you don't pass 18. That is not an excuse. There is always room for self-development. So many of us, when we come up for us, many of us don't know so many of us, we never met ourselves. But it got to a stage. Benny, I bet me yeah. So many of us, now when we come abroad, so many of us, now when you get the kind of age where we reach, nobody need to tell us. Now we realize, say, chai, oh boy, I am acting from a place of default. The way I they behave so, not be so human being they behave. Let me work on myself. I know sabi talk for public. Any small thing I don't start fights. If woman tell me anything, I don't begin the charge, I want fight them. This is not normal. Now make some of us go back, go sit down, run, go therapy, say, I beg, I need help. So many of us need to go back to therapy. The earlier the better for you. Auntie, uncle, no be money, be everything. Of what importance is for you to be a multimillionaire and your brain, your thinking faculties as useful as useless. You see, while a day, so many of our women, see, imagine for the past 2 weeks now, the stories we have been having on this platform, they are similar. But make we not fake them. If we want to really talk the truth now, you can always draw the line of what? Low self-esteem. Woman will not know herself, where they allow man to cheat her many years. You see, where they allow man to cheat her many years. You know, say now so it just been last time one woman they tell Austin say, my brother, now so it be I don't dare used to run. You don't dare used to beating. Are you an animal? You don't dare used to beating for a person where you marry. This is from a place of low self-esteem and default. Something is wrong. But how you go tell no say something they wrong when the be say the house where you from they come from Africa now so you see your papa they bruise your mama until you self-develop yourself. Do you know what you are doing? Consciously or unconsciously, now the same children now you go still raise. Now the same children you go still raise. If you have a daughter, you see that abandonment issues, trauma, it did there, neglect, it did there. Where your daughter go grow, your daughter go feel say it is okay for a man to vanish out of my life and all of a sudden reappear again. You see how we put our children in the state of confusion? We do not look at the psychological effect of all these things because so many of us will not really even know ourselves. Some things, when some things they will not feel understand, we begin to blame our spirituality. Maybe na juju na no be everything be juju. Some of us na waywardness, backwardness, ignorance. It is not an excuse. My people, it is time we need to hold the bull by the horn. Auntie, if you know say you get issues of you know how to control your mood, you know how to control your tongue, or you don't know how to behave, auntie, seek for help. Uncle, you don't know how to treat woman. I always talk this thing for this platform. I no go lie. Many of us were not raised to be marriage material. I go see they talk all this thing again. Until you go back and work on yourself. Auntie, if you like, leave the man where you deal with now. Leave that man today. After 5 years, you go pick another man. You are going to pick another man that looks like that man because you have not changed the main problem. The main problem is you. You need to unlearn so many things for your head and relearn so many things again. Or else, you go leave Austin, go carry sweet banana. At the end of the day, 2 of them go still get the same character because you are attracted to that type of character. You see, huh? You see, huh? I'm telling you the truth. Most times we just they come here, we go to say, yeah, now irresponsible man, that man not good, that man not good. But we still talk the truth. So many of our women are attracted to toxicity. So many of our women are attracted to bad boys so they not get sense. She throw web say not get anything we want give you. Now that one you they call fine boy. Make we they talk the truth for you. A man that you know is of no use to you. Now you they run follow. A man that cannot do anything, bring anything positive into your life. but rather it's coming from a place of always collecting from you. And you yourself, you don't know yourself now, you not go fit talk. A man go beat you, collect your money. The day where you not give her enough, follow you laugh. You not see that one now. That one go African shop. And you don't go drink any kiwi no co. He can't smoke igbo. He don't smoke igbo finish now. He they rush the woman anyhow. Like say na iron block. Now see my people. You get some character where you go see in people. Eh? If you don't say this character, you know what I mean, your picking get them. Avoid those kind of people. Many things they when I want to talk. But for now, I go pause. Una know me. I be small boy. I don't get sense. I'm mute for now.
Okay. As you talk that one now, they will come on, go corner, go talk, say, would they tell them, make them, not they respect them for house? Would they tell them, make them, they leave them? Would they tell them, to go change the narrative? You know, they will go change them. They just want me to come here, call it or say, anything way your husband do you, not true. Anything way your boyfriend give you, not true. If they give your boyfriend money, not true. Invest with your boyfriend. Not be even husband now, invest with your boyfriend, give your boyfriend money, it's okay, no problem. And now the one who they talk for here. It's a big unfortunate. Anyway, we'll go to our sister, God's signature. Good morning, God's signature.
Good afternoon, sir.
And afternoon, we would
this. You take come out today, na Babake o. This is your 1,500 we take come out today, no be here. You ready for us? 1,500. It's on our senator cloth. Now, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning. Auntie Benny, good morning.
Good morning.
Baba,
good morning.
No, this matter and this lady, now me go your blame because it be like person they pour some for your head. Sand, see that lady head. Person don't call you. Tell you, say, see what they happen. Your husband gave children for France. That one then will pursue the man come out. He come meet you for house. The man they come your house. Okay. The thing where you supposed to do, you not do one. You can't see they welcome the man. Enter inside house again. That woman your F9 you get. F9, capital F9. Because person where you just wait for. Tell her say that house you know they enter there. Or if possible, before he come, since you know say you already do the Okomu marriage for Italy there, go the Okomu, no, go report am. If na police station, go report am in case. If he come to the one ABC na bass boss. Once you call them, the mamas they will take come. Make them they can carry that man. That man no, you know what to be a father. You know if you put woman for house, marry woman put for house finish, come out. Go dey cheat for outside. He can't resolve to the born for outside. Can't see come back again. He can't do double ration now. He try. This one na PDP share the money. He share APC, share PDP. He good. And that woman, the woman where they ask now, that one know you can use sense for your head. Can't welcome the man. You can't welcome her come house. And I wish you no open door for that man. Say no let her enter house. This disease where she carry, so she over not carry am. She over not carry am because the time where she supposed to take dry the fly where they are, she not drive am. Now she can't regret. May you not regret or now the food where she buy, now she dey chop. I not join her for this one. The food where she buy, now she dey chop. May she just continue to dey chop am. And the man now go see who carry another disease where she pass down and come. May she give her journal. Because upon all the things where we dey talk for this place. Most of our women, they know they get sense. Any woman who don't already come here, be like, this one at school, this one at your higher institution, where be say, we know they pay salary, we know they pay school fees, we know they pay salary. And Mr. Ossie, be like, say some of us will come they pay salary now because make some of them for the get sense. Now because they know they pay, now make them know they get sense. Make they come they pay. Because if they pay, they'll for know how much it be. Eh? You know your get sense at all. What you supposed to do, you not do, and now you want to regret. May you not regret, oh, now what you buy, now you chop. So may you suffer chop on. Now so I talk and reach. Thank you, everybody.
I beg no verse. So today na your birthday.
Mama, you say?
I dey ask her whether na today be her birthday.
No, na February 14th.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank
That's
you.
all.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, brother.
Good morning,
And
sister. What's up?
Anna, it's your turn.
Anna Belly.
Annabelle, are you there? Her network not good though. They show red.
About good morning.
Good morning, sister.
Praise the Lord, everybody.
Hallelujah.
Here na church. When other person talk, I will walk. I will come back again. But I dey here.
Okay.
I dey here.
No wahala. No wahala is okay, start Ribina just they come. Solo stylish. No, Ibo, I be waiting.
Mr.
Solo
Austin,
stylish.
I come down another person for see enter there. Because
Okay.
now money now with
Sir, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Go boy,
I've been
what's
a morning
up,
with
Ibo?
today. Well done.
You're welcome. Good morning.
No,
Good
now one of my customers I put for there.
Okay.
So now
Okay.
because of my customers.
Okay.
So my contribution for this matter wey we dey talk, I hear dey hear you since. Wetin dey there be say our women, there's most of them say they think say with money they can move everything. There is something money cannot do. Other man say that they talk and say money can do everything. Things see the way money no fit buy, wey money no fit do. Many women they feel say na money na be love. Na money they take they tie or they take they hold husband. No. Many women wey they spend money or wey they carry everything about themselves, gum their husband, many they end up in failure. Our women too dey pepper their husband with money. You will follow your husband invest even when you never even marry, maybe na your baby papa or na your boyfriend. Fear go let you follow and invest. Go Nigeria, go use and buy some do something wey you wan do. Then you go still give woman belle, get children. You go still accept that kind man. Maybe that kind woman you dey feel say if you comot for there, you no go see person wey go put you for house. I don't know why our women just carry themselves too low for some men they use. Brother, if you see wetin dey happen, even for where me dey, if you see wetin some women they pass through for their husband house, I still dey wonder whether this things na those days or e supposed to dey happen now. Now wey be say if you enter TikTok, you go dey hear topic. If you enter Facebook, you go dey hear many things wey be say you feel lay from inside. The one wey me dey lis ten to you since me I don pick something inside. Everybody supposed to dey pick for anywhere wey you for dey hear something. We not supposed to dey fall a victim. This one wey dey talk now. Next week, brother, another one go see come meet you wey be say e resemble like this one. You go surprise say the same woman dey follow you since so. You see dey follow other people wey dey bring this kind topic dey come. Why they say dey fall a victim? Why I don't know why they say dey fall a victim. Woman go say e dey with husband. Na your husband na go market. You no know how much they take dey sell pepper. You no know how much they take dey sell maggi. You no know how much they take dey sell pampers. You no know the food wey baby dey eat. You no know where the supermarket dey for dey buy am. You go just dey inside na the man go market, go come. You no go let am get friends. You no go let anybody call am. You go know say the man the woman was up join her was up. Any call wey enter, you go dey notice. If you dey talk to your papa or your mama or your brother or your sister, if your husband enter, you wan use key take enter house, you go call the phone. You cannot talk to a family for the presence of a husband. Me, I don't know the kind of marriage where these young girls nowadays they do. I not just know. Really, as that brother talk yesterday, I dey pity for most of our children. Because now wetin they see for papa and mama hand, I believe say e go still enter their blood. They will still come across and if time come. I no just know wetin our women see. Abeg brother, mona see continue to dey help us. May I not remove myself, but I know say I no mumu like that, I no dey swore like that. God forbid bad thing. Mona see dey help us, dey talk like this so that most of us may we dey pick sense. Since they no get sense, make they dey pick sense for inside. Now Europe we dey, so they say I don't know the way they speak that in whether part of travel is part of education. Anybody where you don't reach, you don't spend years, you never see get sense. Meaning that person can never get sense again. Where they want to go less sense again, not be here with the person feel from Africa wakarish. Now this side now white land we feel wakarish find money go. As I say you don't reach this side for many years. The same mentality will there with you for Africa. You still get time for you don't get sense. I don't believe some people will get sense again. Because you get what you go here, you go dey vex you. How you go and as a woman, as a marriage, why you go allow this kind of mess happen to you? How? Brother, this quality is too much. Now what I get to talk with that? Thank you, sir.
And solo style, stylish.
So stylish.
I want ask you something. Oh, you think say the word when they talk for here, is they harsh to their husband or una boyfriend? Is it that harsh?
Any man where you go say he harsh to their wife or to their boyfriend, you will not say the man no good. He better man like me. He get one. I know he get one person where my husband follow. Is it not last week or last 2 weeks? Then they talk about marriage. My husband he call me. He say make I follow this place because I didn't like wetin they do for you. He like wetin they talk. They advise women. I don't know if you understand me. My husband, he make me follow that brother that day. That was last week or last 2 weeks, I don't mistake me. He tell me, say, he they follow this man. Say, he like the way that they talk. Make I follow them. Now, say, what is that they talk? He said that they talk about a marriage, that they talk how women tell they respect, how much they do, they like all those kind of things. So if you be mad, you know they maltreat your wife. You know look your wife as a ass girl. You not look your wife as a messenger. That is if you dey where you dey now, you go like her. You go like her. Now only man where they maltreat his wife. You know what I mean? Wife left from here. Now you go say the word too harsh. I don't know if you understand me, brother.
Yeah, I understand.
So what they do for you is very good, brother. It's very good. You dey try. God where they protect all the women. Now go continue to they protect you, brother. Because we dey fight for our good, you understand? I believe say you don't marry, you still get sisters. So if person they maltreat person sister or person daughter, you not go like her. You understand? So now the good things now you they do so you know they do bad thing. You know they do bad thing and good things now you they do. So any man when you say not like what you they do, may you go a break transformer. You will not say that man a bad person.
Okay. Thank you very much, Sister Solo. God bless you. Mommy B, you want to talk something? Mommy B.
See me, oh.
Actually, you want to talk? I be a network they do.
Yeah, man. Bila said they visit me today, oh.
Okay, network. Okay.
I'm to talk.
You say? Okay, our moderator have internet challenges, so let's allow our sister Ribina to talk to us. Sister Ribina, good afternoon.
Okay. I don't get small. Do you hear me now?
How you say?
Good afternoon. You hear me well?
Yeah, we hear you now. Good afternoon, sister.
Like only the one I want just quick talk because I get somebody I won't give somebody something for downstairs. Which I want quick talk, you know, say some people don't already dey inside relationship and marriage before this program starts. Okay, they don't already dey inside, and they don't already they like all the thing where they happen for you. They talk all the time. It don't already they happen to them for house. So we not go to the surprise. Say they not learn. They just the hearer. You understand? They just the hearer, and I make. The topic, it be like say, it they come like it they resemblance of the topic they come every day. Why? Because all these people they don't stay inside for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 2 years. When brother start this thing now, never to take. So now make it be like say, where would they talk? They not they learn. If you check those people, so we not learn. They don't already their relationship for 5, 10, 15 years. Okay, but the ones where they come now, where they enter now, they need to they learn. Brother, they get me so? They need to they learn. They need to they hear what happened to our sisters for their husband house for 10, 5, 2 years ago. What happened to them? Now I make this topic be like say they resemble, make our our young ones we never marry, with these two relationships, make them for learn, make them for the get sense. And those one where they inside, they will still get sense, they will know how to amend themselves for inside those things. Bro, see, they get me so.
Yes.
Like this woman, so this woman, I don't lie you. I blame her where I don't know what you see for that man body. I don't know. I don't know whether it do they take care of her. I don't know whether na the basketball she like. I don't know whether na because he fine na she like. I don't know whether na the thing where they under na she like, because I don't see anything where go make me as a woman accept somebody where be say I deal with. You go leave me, go waka, go come back. I go still open door, go enter house. Then I go still give her my body, make it do as a wife. No, now, what do you see? I don't understand some of our women, though. Whether now because of make her for two do say na me good pass for husband house, or make her patient for husband house, or make them for see and say I get husband. No, just they buy on ourselves gradually. All these things not good. All these things, not good at all. A man no fit come for house, go chop pok as I finish. Come inside house. Come see give me the same puff where chop, go come put am for my body. You understand? Me I no fit to. Me una dey learn o. All of una wey dey here, me una dey learn. We dey here, brother Austin get wife, I get husband. Brother Austin wife, in two of them, they don't say when they dey together, and I pray may they still dey together like that. They live good life, they go like that with understanding in Jesus' name. Me, I know they spoil person house. Even me, I did my husband house. I know they spoil person own. And I know what make person spoil my own. You understand? To stay with man, to stay with woman for 20 years, which is easy for man. For woman to stay with man for 20 years, this is easy for the woman too. Now, tolerance and endurance and understanding and talk. You know, this talk. If my man they beat me for a year, I for don't run. I go run. I don't lie you. I don't care whether na millionaire or this. I go come out. After all, my eye no fair day for money. Me I know person where if you like give me million, I know they look like anything. I always tell you thank you. Why? Because I know they won't make anything they weigh me down. Make I to carry the thing for head. Or can they look man say get money, make I go buy for inside there. No. Mona, it's time for now to rise up and know ourselves. Now we be women for husband house, we men they treat anyhow. And for the harsh word way some of our people they talk. Bros, don't let that thing stay in your body at all. You don't pass them. May I tell you one thing? Even Jesus Christ will die for our sin. They see the judge until today. Even God will create us. They see they ask and say, where he dey? If he dey, why people they poor? Why some they rich? Even though people, if no matter how you do things, people must criticize you. But one thing when I go tell you, use a raw body, you don't pass. God bless you, my brother. Nothing where they will talk, we go stay you. Move, carry as you just carry your head up, so carry am up. Because now no man I dey kill am. Don't let anything disturb your mind. Don't let anything disturb you. If they give you basketballs, give them back. Now my advice to you be that. And if I see any other person where go just come they do anyhow for your place, me I go open the ASAN platform. Me I go use and insult them. Because as we said, they don't want to leave you. As they disturb you, they will see they can't me join her. Now no bene. Now there they stay. You go come here, come open platform now. Come they do mele like say you too like women, too like men. I go see give you basketballs as the ASAN women when they speak for them. Because enough is enough. Mona tear on any man will treat you anyhow. Mona move.
Okay. So if una think say they learn na lie na lie. May I tell you the truth o. Now also now me na in the inside. After una come out, now me the inside. I know how many calls I dey receive. If I tell una say these women they tear eye na lie o. Wetin make these guys dey vex? No be say because our women don't they count their step back. They say, okay, let's do it right. Let's do it with this way. Put me along. Put my name there. Like this, no. Like that, no. Now they call this problem now. So, like I tell you now only people when they see what they do. Now then the thing say they call the fall victim as at now. People they see what they do. They don't fall victim again, no. Now be the issue, now be the problem. You understand? Like one way for our sister for that way. I don't want to mention this country. Because the guy say they watch us, they got the fake account, they watch us. This our sister. This man catch a mugu. That time, she never know us. For the first one. For the second child, he catch a mugu. Okay? But since when they come join us for here now, okay? This man not fit catch a mugu now. Now the man they complain. Say now because this woman they come here, now he make am. If now your sister they will do am, you will open your mouth, tell your wife, say your wife who you marry traditionally, tell her say now only 3 children now you want from her. Your wife when you marry your own wife when you marry put for us. Say now only 3 children. So that 3 children I will only born for you. If you born for you finish, make it go. Make it go. Now because your mission to have the 3rd one it never fulfill. You say that since when your wife they watch us here, they make your mission never fulfill. So if now your sister they will do one like that, if now your daughter they will do one like that, if I lay curse on you, now they'll say I lay curse on you. What you make you think say your daughter when you born so as a man, is they important than your wife? Is your daughter not a female like your wife they be female? Why do you think that your daughter is more special than your wife? Are they not the same gender? Don't you think if you are not careful, man can also do that to your daughter? I have 2 daughters. I have a boy as well. I have conscience. You understand? What is your mission? You tell your wife, say, now only 3 children you want, and she must born those 3 children for you. Now must. After he born them for you, then make it go. Make I tell you now. One woman will call me this morning. Make I tell you. I beg, why I cut your call? Because I get appointment with somebody around 8:30 for phone. And that phone, it will cut your call. Call me back after the show. You get why? I beg. Your husband never marry you. He never marry you. You don't born 4 children. You don't born 4 children. See where I drop my ear. Make I tell you something. Before you the first man, make he go marry you because of children. Make sure you know say this man a good person. Oh. No me say tomorrow, you call the time me say they not collect a bride price for you. Because some men, they use that thing as trap. See, wait till I gather. If you get change, me, as I will gather something, I get computer here, oh. I get computer here. Set full here, set. Complete set. In day here. Where they broadcast for here. Make I tell you now what I gather. If you inside my computer here. I gather one thing. Some men, what do they do? If you get change, or if you get money, okay, they will force you go do marriage with you for Nigeria. Okay? In case you never know, make I tell you. They will quick go use you do marriage for Nigeria. Because of that money when you get. You understand? Are you going to say that marriage na normal thing for you? But you don't know it's a trap for you. I don't want to be all men, no. That's why I say some men. Not be all men, but some men. Some of this traditional marriage is not trap. It's a very big trap, but you don't really understand it. Why they talk this thing? And they talk this thing because that woman will come from Germany here this morning. Now make I talk am. Your husband already misbehave already now. But what are you fighting for? You dey fight for say, may he go marry you. If he go marry you tomorrow, no call me, oh. Say, no, they don't let you return bride price, oh. Don't call me, oh. I know how they talk. Why? Because he get money pass you now. Now you make, now you the force am. But if now you get money pass am, if I don't go to do marriage ever since them. Now be the trick, if you never understand. Now the trick be that one for Europe here. Now the trick. Okay? But you dey complain to me this morning now say, after he promised you say, if you give a document, he will go marry you. As he get document finish now, he not go marry you again. But you don't know whether na God, the Toxicity not go marry you now. Because you say that they misbehave already. Madam, think well, oh. Think very well. You understand? Because the way I see this traditional marriage now, the way I call it Sienna, the way they do now for abroad here, not before Nigeria, oh, the way they go for abroad here, now trap. Now big trap. Up till now, I know how many women not feel return their bride price. Up till now. Least when I get for here, I get almost about 61 people who don't feel return their bride price when their case them at table. Up till now. You understand? So make una know all these things. Not to say go put money for my head be the issue. The more put money for your head. Now correct person, now good man. Now what you will regret tomorrow, first think that one first. Very, very important. Now what you will regret tomorrow, they can't go return the bride price, it will come be problem. Madam, shine your eye. That make they don't like us here. No, not Buna, I mean they don't like, but not be problem. So, when I do well, Sister Ribina, are you with us? Maybe she not know how to unmute her side. Though. Some people don't they join TikTok, they don't know how to.
I did. I'm at work, so that's why I'm so sorry.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you for bringing me up.
Thank you.
Please refresh my memory a little bit. I've been listening, so are we still talking about that Italy lady?
Yes, of course, yes.
Okay. Anyway, to me, I have been in this business called marriage for 37 years. So I've seen up and down. We have to have a little patience. Getting married, I'm streaming from US. I'm streaming from US and from Igbo side. When I got married when I was 18 years old. So I didn't know nobody. I didn't know nothing. And my husband brought me here when I was 22. So during that time, it was a lot of beating, and everything was beaten up. Okay, but one thing why I stayed in that marriage, we say, my father told me that once I leave the house, I am not coming back. I'm in, point of no return because we have 5 sisters. I'm the first daughter. So my dad think that it was a disgrace. If I leave and come back, it's a disgrace to him. So because of that was the one reason why I keep on hanging in up till today. So my husband's problem was jealousy. That's what I understood it to be. Is jealous, doesn't want me to have any friend. When I came here, you cannot visit, and I cannot go out. I cannot go to no party. I cannot walk. When I came to abroad, I stayed home 5 years before I can be able to step out, to know people. They didn't do my paperwork. I suffered. I don't know where to start. I really don't know what to start. But anyway, I had 3 children. So it was in the hospital that I met one lady, or coming back from the hospital, that I met one lady in the bus, and we start speaking. Oh, where are you from? I'm from Niger. I'm from Niger. I'm from Igbo. You're from Igbo. So from there we connect. So, and the lady was like, how come you're not driving with 3 children, carrying them in the stroller? I said, because my husband didn't want me to drive, or have not taught me how to drive. So that lady came the one day that I want to teach you how to drive. So when he came, and then he was like, he just came back from work. I thought I was going to sneak out before he came back. So when he found the lady at home, who is this? I said, that's a friend that I met. A friend that you met, and you're already bringing her to my house? Why? Boom, 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 in front of me, getting a slap in front of that my friend. So that my friend pick up telephone. At that time, the telephone is not rampant. I'm talking about 1993. So the phone wasn't rampant at that time. She picked up my home phone and dialed 911. 911 came and took him. And then that's where the problem started. So, but anyway, let me make that long story short. I stayed in that marriage and I gave him 6 children. I gave him 6 children in that marriage. So, but what I'm trying to say is in relationship, women, we have to try as much as possible to be independent. So in 1996, we used to have a joint account. In 1996, he wanna remove me out from the account without me knowing it. So I went to the store to buy food for the children. Guess what? My card declined. I came back home, I asked him, why did the account decline? Then he goes, I'm a spender, and then because of that, we cannot have account together anymore. And I'm not working at that time. So then I stayed back. So I keep on thinking, what will I do? So it was his girlfriend that was coming inside the house, an American girlfriend at that time. Nina, how come you're not working? You have 4 kids now, you're still at home. Come on, let me tell you what to do. She took me and then took me to a school. They call it nursing assistant at that time. Show me how to do nursing assistant. And then he was working. He never knew that at night I was doing the nursing assistant from 5 to 9 because he worked night shift. So 2 days a week I was doing that until one day I asked him, I need to get a job. Then he goes, what kind of job are you going to get? You don't have any experience. You don't have, you don't have this, you don't have that. I said, don't worry. I have a license. Like, what license? I said, I have a nursing assistant license. His eye opened. When he find out that I got this nursing assistant license, guess what? The last time I took a beating from him. That was the last time. He never touched me. I would say, okay, so why you were beating me all this time? Is it because you think I'm worthless and useless? That's why you were beating me anyhow. So now I'm bringing me in. Now I'm the best woman. But guess what now? What I'm trying to say, guess now, for the past 10 years now, he has not worked. Until when I went to nursing school, I finished. Now I'm a nurse. I am the family. Because one, I'm afraid what my father told me, and then I'm afraid I have 5 girls and 1 boy. And I'm afraid of divorcing because since I have my girls, I don't know if they can be able to get married because their parents are divorced. So, and this, it's kind of confused. That's why in America now, anybody that is going through this kind of being, you have to seek for therapy. Maybe they can get you help. Time to. I'm afraid to something happening in my family so that people will not know how my family can be. It's very, very painful to be in an abusive relationship. Living might not be the best. Personally, I believe our Nigeria we come from, once you have 1 child, 2 child, you're done. Okay, in America, I feel that even if you have kids, you take and who will say, hello, how are you? That's why we stick around, we staying around. I didn't know I had to talk about that topic on Monday, but I was at work, so I got cut off. I didn't know the whole issue, what transpired, if it's the woman at fault or the man at fault. I didn't know. So, and then I don't know what to do, but everything now have quieted down since kids are grown. They think I never knew what I went.
So our network is not good. Our network is waving.
Yeah.
So maybe it's because where I am. But anyway, that's all I have to say. Women seek for help. That's all I have to say. And then try to be able to help yourself. Do not depend on the man 100%. Find something that you can do to help yourself. Self-confidence is the best. Thank you very much, Mr. Austin, for allowing me. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you for the encouragement. God bless you.
Bless you.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank
God bless you. Please, can you mute your end, Mama? Yeah.
She's finished.
I'll try and mute her side. Yes. There's something I want to say. We have 465. Guys, tap on your screen. Listen to this. She made a very vital statement. Make una no ignore them. Austin, if you can bear me witness, this is something I've been saying for days. Wait till be that. I say for some of us men to learn, we must go jail. For some of us men to learn, we must go jail.
Yeah, you said it.
See, guys, this is not a joke. The way they raise many of us, until you send us to jail, we will not learn. Some of us, it is normal. When you do something wrong, now to the slap woman, it is sickening to hear this kind of thing. You understand? It is so sad. But the thing is this, thank God she is able to survive it now. You know, understand? She take the patience to take bear around. And Mo could not still forget. She said she had to bear because of what the father said to her. Because at the back of her mind, there's no place to come to. There's no home to run to. So anything where you see for Johnson, you bear them. You see,
That was a bad advice, bro.
Exactly. And that is the reason why some people, they stay at the end of the day. Their enemy will go by.
Yes.
That's the reason why some people go stay at the end of the day. The man knows, say, if mama, if papa don't tell her, say, don't come back. So I can treat her the way I want.
Yes.
You see, let as parents, let's try. Let's be opening our hands to our children. Say, listen, if you enter marriage, you are treated like a slave. My doors are open, my daughter. Please come back home. It is better I come there to carry your property than for me to come there and bring flower to your enemy grave for rest in peace. May that not be our portion in Jesus' name.
Amen.
You understand?
Amen.
This is the thing we need to start talking about on this platform, including me where they talk anyhow, the way they talk this thing. They don't raise many of us where. They don't raise many of us where. Until you carry that man, make that man realize, say, there is serious consequences for your action. So many of us will not go learn. You see, from the minute the man realized that this man is also a provider, what happen? Oga, calm down now. Oga, no calm down. Some people want to intentionally keep you at home. Make that they do everything so that you be see them as Alpha and Omega from a place of oppression and insecurity. You see, you must, a lot of men, when they know, say, the only thing they can bring to the table, now that provision, that financial provision, when they say you get your own finance, a lot of us men, we are empty. We not get any other things to bring again. That is why I urge every woman, every girl they listen to me, until self-develop yourself, until you work on yourself. If you work on yourself, that thing where they make you run follow one man, if you get that thing where that man gets, that man, it go become quiet person for where you did. You're not going to talk again. I mute my mic. Austin, continue.
Thank you very much, my brother. You see, okay, now you see a woman that was married at the age of 18. Let's say she married at the age of 18. 18. When I remember what I talked yesterday, when we finished that show yesterday, people call me, some say I was right, some say I can go here, but no, not my person. If I stand for something, I stand for something. Okay? The greatest mistake you will ever take in this abroad here, the greatest mistake as a woman, the greatest mistake you will ever do to yourself as a woman is for you as a woman here in abroad to seek marriage advice from your mother. I repeat, May they don't say I stand by it. Is to seek marriage advice from your mother. If you are listening very well, you can see what she said. As she want go husband house, Papa say make you not return back. Because I say they doing olden days. You understand? I say they doing olden days. If you seek, I talk about because people don't hear yesterday. Let me repeat that today. If you seek advice from your mom, you are going to be a victim all the time in your marriage home. Do you know why? Your mama not there abroad. What your mama know? Now African marriage, now you know. You don't know about abroad marriage. And if you think say abroad marriage and African marriage not the same, you just they play. You never reach to marry. You just they play. You understand? If you say what will be different between African marriage and abroad marriage, go ask question. Not be the same. You see what this man come house today, He tell you what I say when wife they feed those children. If they beat the wife because the wife is not some cloth for her. That one will happen for Africa, but not before abroad here. Normally, when you say your wife they sew cloth, abroad marriage, you have to sew your cloth by yourself. Now, what you don't like maybe this. Normally, you have to sew your cloth by yourself. Not go to wait for a woman when they feed Peking. Okay, abroad marriage. When you see say your wife they with person for phone, okay, you don't know who they talk to for phone. No matter your anger, you will first be patient first, because you don't know that the police you talk to for phone, and you don't know that the woman wants to set you up with police. You understand? Then the next thing, now for the man to they beat you. Let me tell you something. Your mother will only advise you because that was how she was raised up. But here in abroad, it's not like that. Your mom will tell you, say, be patient, be patient. One this date today, I say wait for one video. Made that woman send me. One woman for Italy, the husband used knife, take cut her ear, remain small, when he will take fall. So they go sew her now, he go tell for this to say, for us to say, now she mistakenly used knife to do her. But ask yourself, you think the police don't know say na person do her? They know, but they feel say she put it on herself. I was angry to even talk her for herself. I know I'm gonna go to insult her, I'm gonna go to curse her. Now I made to carry her come here. If they had me, because me myself, I'm not happy with the situation. When I see the video, I was so angry. You understand? I was so angry in a way that how can somebody just to take all this thing upon herself? And she blame her mom. She did that marriage because of her mom. Why you go date marriage because of your mother for abroad? You feel date marriage because of your mother for abroad for Nigeria, not be for abroad. If you because of your mother stay for marriage for abroad, you will suffer and you will be a victim. I swear to God who made me. Now what I see every day. Now where I sit down here, now things they meet me here. Your mother will only tell you, say, Zegbe, be patient, be patient, be patient. That is what she have for you. That is what she just have for you. Finish. At the end of the day, you are the one suffering. You are the one. Can you imagine? Your house where you day. I don't see issue, Richard. House where you day. Your husband can't tell you, say, may you go to sleep for children room. Your husband can't carry on that woman come. I beg woman. Make one protect women. I beg. That act. I hate it. You know, so somebody get woman for house. You get woman for house. Because they carry you woman. Come meet other woman for house. And children did that house. You want to be woman currently accept that kind of act. You can't do that house. Then that woman, you're going to tell the woman, say, the man going to tell the wife, say, may come turn some more for her. Don't be some more, man. The woman already come on, go to turn some more. Why you not put us for that some more? See why they don't like me? Now be this. See why they don't like me? Now be this. Why you go make some more? Because mama told say, may you patient, may you patient because now see your mama take patient, they come add one joiner. Your mama patient, they come add two joiner. Una when they talk say I want born for one place, I pity for una. Not abroad, don't be like that. Nothing like born for one place for abroad. I don't know where they get that mentality from. I don't know who they tell una that one. Yesterday evening, I talked to one of my sisters for Italy. He said, I want born for one place. I want born for one place. Now make I do one like this. I born one, the man not good. I born two, the man not good. The third one, I go remove one. I know I born for one place. I say, where the man now? He said the man not come out. Okay, now you get 2 children. Not be another place want go born that one for now because you see they young. As your age 26, you will see marry, say yes. Okay, and be another place want go born for. When you know see your husband not good, why you not first enter house your own and then be your husband, boyfriend and girlfriend? Because I want born for one place. Your mother say this one. Now see your mother. What your mother pass through for Africa? You there abroad, Western world. Any man will not feel marry you the way you be, the way abroad culture be. May you go marry for Nigeria, not be problem. May you go Nigeria, go marry. And the woman may not carry come here, may leave her for there. If you carry come here, the breeze when you enter our head for here, you will see enter the woman head. Make you leave her for Nigeria there. That woman will feel they be all those things there, but not be here. Abroad is not like that. It's not like that. So we don't have to get that mentality say with the tell a woman babati. I don't know what I forget her. My wife will come out now. If you hear somebody voice us now she they go work so she will come back around 9 o'clock. Today I day free. Tomorrow I'll go back to work. You understand? Now actually they come today, I take care of them. Then you will come out. You tell them to get for your children, you don't get that for your children. Your wife when they go work, now I cook for your children. Your wife will go work, then when one leave plate for. Abroad marriage not be like that. Not be like that. As you come, you not go work as a man. And you will do the hard things for your children. That's why abroad marriage talk. If you not feel married, not be by force. Go to Nigeria, go marry for there, leave her for there. Period.
Bro, Austin, I want to ask you something. You get something where they bother me. You know, those things that happened back in the days, you know, I stayed just because of the children. You know how abroad be for you to be a single mother. But now my kids are grown. My oldest is from 36 down to 17 years. My last boy is 17 years old. You know, I don't have that feelings anymore. And Mama and Papa, they don't die. I am not happy having a flashback of what happened back in the days. I need to work. Is it a bad thing if I do that now?
No, it's not a bad thing.
Are you true?
Yes.
If it's a bad thing, you do what, man? I didn't get it well.
I said,
Go back to work.
I need to walk out. That's what I feel because...
To walk out from your marriage?
Yes.
This time around?
Yes.
Madam, no, I beg, no. You just told us that your husband is not fine now, right?
He's so fine because right now I would say he's paralyzed.
Oh, Madam, I beg, Madam, I beg.
This is not the time at all.
You know?
I beg, Madam, don't go. That's what I talked yesterday. I say,
Now this one
we
you talk
men,
yesterday.
we get small memory. We the say we get sense. We don't get sense, rich woman. 20, 30 years. I talk yesterday for you. Now remember, woman will put something for brain. Mm-hmm. Yeah? Because we don't do marriage. We know how they work. My wife tell me one thing one day. That thing, me don't forget. That happened for my village. Most of them, you know, say I married for my village. And most of them know me say, this my wife, son, and my girlfriend for village those days. He tell me something for village. I go trace and go back and say, I tell me about this thing again. Me don't forget. That's what we may be. Now therefore they know all these things. You see, Anna, the maltreatment when the husband give her years ago.
Don't come back.
Don't come back to her memory. Madam, I beg. No go, I beg. Madam, I beg I do. Because now you that man they look now. Without you now, you know we all last again. It don't finish. Whether he paralyzed now, he not paralyzed now. As they see you, mommy, I beg. Not be now the man called the problem. All what he do you, my sister, forgive him. Wow. I beg. Because I know what will happen to that man. Immediately you just walk out. Immediately you just walk out, that is the end.
And the funny thing be say, you know, even getting paper. You know, getting paper. You know, they walk. You just sit down there, at home.
Person will paralyze want to walk.
When I mean paralyzed is, both financially and all that, not like paralyzed like he can't.
Okay, but yes, I understand. But the age don't go now.
I don't go in. He don't hit to 65.
I don't go. Age not there again.
He don't hit 65. And the thing where they vex myself be say, he lied to me. He lied. I went home in December. And one brother come they tell me, say Raibina, say, me, I go turn 70 years in November. Say, Nami go sponsor him. That's my husband, brother, I say, And this man, what time he said, we go celebrate 70 years. He said, my husband, Sinora.
Okay, he lied by age.
He lied by age.
And that one not be. Mo no, you take that one as issue, mama.
I can't carry that. I can't open my mouth. I said, his name be Austin too. He said, bro, Austin, you say you go turn waiting. He said, I go turn 70 for November. You hear me? He said, did I celebrate
Austin again. Austin again.
That's what I hear.
What did they see for Austin?
That word, I beg.
Another Austin again.
Another Austin again.
Austin must come. Austin must come.
The thing don't hit me for chest. Boom.
I beg, mommy, I beg. Mommy, we ensure this platform beg you. See, this is the thing. This one are to us men, guys. Make could they remember what we plant in the morning? If not in the evening, it go germinate.
Yes.
Evening like this now. This is the time this man need this woman the most.
Yes.
The evening, whether you plant in the morning, they don't remember in the evening now. See, some women we consider, think about it, make I leave. So no go even think, it don't leave you hands down, PM, because you not go feel beat person. Tell that person not to cry. But mommy, I beg. They say for hand to clean, this hand go wash this hand go wash this hand. For that hand to clean, I beg. May not come be like say people can't say now when he needed you the most, now you can't leave him. You know understand? But do your best.
I did everything. I don't build house for him. I don't build 2 houses for him. Okay. I don't build for him. The one where we live here, I don't pay him half.
What would they tell they don't say what they play for here?
This is the person where you remove the name from account because I know they work.
See, you see the memory. And that place she go remember because she know they work. The man go remove her, come up for the card. They don't feel use that card again. So now the man I know they do anything now. They want pay him back. Man, no need for that. Just leave her for God, I beg. God, the age don't go. Even if the junior brother will be called on be Austin, now 70, I'll be 75, you stand as
70, and he still keep body saying they're 65.
Sister said many men they lie for their age, mama. Many men they lie for their age. They reduce their age well. Now it costs her.
So that means when I was 18, then he was almost 35 to 38. I can't remember this. This in the verse, me bros.
No, not me, not verse, not me.
I can't even remember. I can't even remember when I make love last. I can't even remember. And I'm still young. I'm 55.
Hallelujah. Mommy, I beg you. Mommy, you don't born sis. Mommy, you don't born sis already. I
born sis.
Mommy, you don't born sis. I beg.
I do.
We know you are still young. We know you are still looking young.
You see my face. You see my face?
Oh,
wow. Wait. Mama, wait. Make I prove her to the words.
Mommy. I know why. Oh, Mommy's looking like Mommy Gio. Mommy's looking like Mommy Gio. Mommy, don't worry, please. I beg. Help our brother, I beg. We beg you. I beg. Austin, Mona, follow me, beg him.
Okay,
with the beg him. Comment section, Mona beg him for us.
Can I say something? Can I? May I
God will leave this kind of face. Hey! I beg.
Brother Austin.
Mama, talk.
I beg. I won't follow my lady talk.
Yeah, follow her talk, Mama.
Good afternoon from here. My sister, not verse, You don't
I hope
bear
I
am
got that
already.
well.
Now this one be the beer, eh? You don't already tolerate am already. I beg. For am to even cut that age for you, eh? For me, e no
Arrange
good
my
at
butter.
all. E no good. No matter how you cut your age reach, eh? Your own blood, that is your wife, wey you with her dey, you don born for her. You supposed to tell her your real age. Telling your wife your real age, even though na 1 year, 2 years, even though na 20 years later, my wife, this is why I keep it. I'm sorry. It's more better than now you come later come know when e don already old. That place, e no good at all. I blame the man. Abeg.
Deny. It's not often.
He
It's
denied.
not
He
often.
denied.
I told you so.
You know wetin, eh? Many of us come Europe, we no dey talk our, but your own person, you need to tell am the truth so that anything you go know how to stand for your side. You understand? So
Yes.
I beg you in the name of God, okay? You don't
When I
try.
came,
See, eh?
sister, not the only one thing the verse. When I came here, he still did not tell me saying people know they correct. I came here in
And now
1991.
you can still correct
I
her.
did not get
Don't tell
paper until 2000. Until 2000, when my daughter filed for me. Now through my daughter, where I get my paper. And up to this moment, he still did not tell me what happened to his paper. All those wahala there for my head. I've been paying lawyer, 20,000 here,
Brother.
2,000 here.
Hey, wait.
The matter is strong, oh. I don't lie you. Oh. The matter is strong, eh?
Everything, he's here. Then I told him, you know what? You're successful. There's nothing else you can do. Make a clear work. I call up my children. My children, they're all established. They say, Mom, let him go. $200 dear house. 5 of them. Still my 17-year-old that is not working right now. So we got it done. At least 1,000 a month. Let him go back, go enjoy himself before he die here.
This matter we agbada, oh.
It's
We wear
hard.
bulletproof.
Lie, everything lie. From day one.
My brother, I don't shut up well, so I no come fit talk again, no. I no lie you, eh? May not come be say.
Austin, I do.
Lie.
No, you be ọmọ Naimia, ọmọ Naimia, na ye that be ni ọmọ Naimia. Or you go dey gbe dog buy some na when no help. Now they understand so.
How did they call me? Oh, not call me now. Not call for the
So,
broadcast.
sweet
please.
banana, you understand the thing when I talk?
Okay, sister, where your
I
husband
listen
now?
to you, my
Yes, I
sister.
do. I do.
Where's
Yeah,
your
oh yeah,
husband
ọmọ Naimia, no help. Or you go dey gbe dog who some You know this woman is in pain. I don't know how to even.
I think
That's my case.
he said, "See, the thing is this, madam, welcome home. Welcome to this platform where we dey talk things the way it be. But no matter what we tell you, now you go still take your own decision, do what you want. You understand? But mama, see, one of the biggest advice we give for this platform now, save your head first. You understand? Save your head first, because may God not allow your enemy go lose herself, and you not fit there for your children. You understand? Never did there for your children. And now you still know what you go fit take. You understand? Now you still know what you go fit take. Make we not come advise you go to a place where be same at the end of the day, your enemy come fall into a place of depression. They say now who wear shoe, now know where the pain am. You don't understand? So you have to check left and right. You understand? At the end of the day, what you know will be good for you to be a good mother. You understand? And if something still there, you know, say, I'm not ready to leave this man like this. Because in as much as he do this, he's also a good father. You understand? Somebody there, echo. He's also a good father. Please think about it. You understand? I beg, for anything where you want to do, not still forget the good times you guys had together. You know? And if possible, carry and sit down, call family members. It is better if not to go house, make you go relax for the rest of your life, than you go day here as handicap, you know, if you do anything. You understand? So this is a thing you both have to like sit and with family and agree.
That's what me and my kids we have been battling about this now for over 3 years. So, and then we have reached conclusion. We have appointments on Thursday. I just got a different lawyer now, so we have an appointment on Friday. Sorry, on the 21st. Then after we have gone to this appointment, and whatever the lawyer said, if it's in favor of us, fine. If it's against us, then by December, that we all will send him home. We all will go travel, and then maybe rent a house in Lagos, so he can stay in Lagos and be going to the village. So no, they don't know that he has gone home. That is what the children, brought. I said, okay. So he agreed to it. So that's where we are now. And I could be going every year to see him over there.
No, I didn't bear for my head. No one get sense. No, I didn't bear for my head. You feel that they raise your car key now for your wife, oh? They raise her where? Oswald. They raise her where? My wife wants car key, say shara for. Car when be say small people they who come for Libya yesterday, today will back car. Person will come for Libya yesterday, today will back car. Go and ask them in Italy. As I just arrived Italy, the following year, now I buy car, big car in the city of Rome. Go and ask. You use car shakara for your wife. It's a big pity on you. Who the one say go home now? Not be madam. Oh. Now God the one say go home. If you think say your children, they will feel hate the mother. The way you they plan. I get one issue where I come yesterday. I laugh you, I shake my head. That one the Nigerian mentality, not be abroad here. You understand? Not be abroad here. Just pray. May your wife, who they treat bad now, make you not use those children against you. My brother, not be now, your old age. Why will not carry our mama come abroad? As we play to reach for